Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty gets real. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to shake up your hairstyling routine, offering versatility and innovation in one sleek package. Let's talk about the Paul Mitchell Unclipped 3-in-1 Ceramic Interchangeable Curling Wand. This styling tool features 3 different barrels, each designed for creating a variety of looks, from soft waves to tight curls. The barrel sizes range from a larger 1.25-inch for loose, beachy waves to a 0.75-inch for more defined curls. And the 1-inch barrel is perfect for achieving that classic, voluminous curl. Each barrel is made with CeraShine ceramic material, which promises to deliver smooth, shiny results while helping to reduce heat damage. Powered by RapidStyle Technology, this tool also has a SmartSense microchip designed to speed up styling time while keeping hair safe from excess heat. Now let's talk about how this tool actually performs. I've tested this curling wand extensively, using it on both damp and dry hair to see how it performs under different conditions. I started with the larger barrel to create loose, beachy waves, which turned out to be smooth and bouncy, exactly what I was hoping for. The heat-up time was incredibly fast thanks to the RapidStyle technology. It only took about 30 seconds to reach my desired styling temperature, which was a huge time saver during my morning routine. The SmartSense microchip really did make a difference. It kept the temperature consistent, which I've noticed helps to avoid that annoying hot spot that can sometimes lead to frizz or uneven curls. Another thing I loved was how the barrels are interchangeable. You don't need to buy separate tools for different styles, which is a big win for space and cost efficiency. The CeraShine ceramic material is excellent for locking in moisture and adding a healthy shine to the hair, so my curls didn't feel dry or crispy at all. The finish was smooth with zero frizz, even after several hours of wear. One of the things that stood out to me was the heat protection. My hair tends to be on the finer side, so I'm always cautious about using high heat. With the Paul Mitchell Unclipped wand, I didn't feel like I had to compromise between styling speed and hair health. It left my hair soft to the touch, not over-processed or crispy, which is a major plus. On the flip side, I did notice that it's a bit bulky to hold for extended periods, especially when you're working with thicker sections of hair. The wand itself isn't overly heavy, but it does require a bit more effort to maneuver if you're used to a more compact styling tool. Also, while the interchangeable barrels are a great feature, it does take a few extra seconds to switch them out, which can feel a bit tedious if you're in a rush. Let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: versatile with 3 barrel sizes for different curl types. Rapid heat-up time thanks to the RapidStyle technology. CeraShine ceramic material helps with smoothness and shine. SmartSense microchip ensures consistent temperature and minimized damage. Great for all hair types, from fine to thick, due to its adjustable heat settings. Cons: the wand can feel a bit bulky when styling for extended periods. Switching out barrels can be slightly cumbersome, especially if you're trying to move quickly. The design, while sleek, may not be as ergonomic for those with smaller hands. When it comes to value for money, I think this product definitely makes its case. While it's not the cheapest option on the market, the versatility of 3 different barrels, combined with the technology that minimizes heat damage, makes it worth considering. If you're someone who loves to switch up your hair texture frequently, but doesn't want a full arsenal of different curling tools, this is a solid investment. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other interchangeable curling wands out there, but most come with fewer features or require you to purchase separate barrels. If you're budget conscious, but still want something that delivers on performance, tools from brands like Hot Tools or Conair might provide a more affordable option, though they may not match the rapid heat-up time or damage protection of the Paul Mitchell Unclipped wand. As for build quality, the Paul Mitchell Unclipped wand feels premium. The materials used are sturdy, and the CeraShine ceramic barrels seem to maintain their quality over time. After using it multiple times, the barrels haven't shown any signs of wear or buildup, which is always a good sign when investing in a tool like this. So, does the Paul Mitchell Unclipped 3-in-1 Ceramic Interchangeable Curling Wand live up to the hype? Absolutely. It offers excellent performance with thoughtful technology that addresses common hair concerns like heat damage and uneven styling. Whether you're a pro looking for a tool that does it all, or a busy individual looking to cut down on styling time without sacrificing quality, this wand could be the right fit for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for tuning into Beautyistic. If you've tried this curling wand or have a favorite styling tool of your own, drop a comment below and let us know. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.